So I picked up a package of bees in a top bar nuke hive that I built, and I gave it to Ben Moore from Ben's Bees, and he filled it with a small colony for me. And it just happened to fit perfectly inside my top bar hive. Can't really see it. I put that in there 2 days ago. The bees are happily coming and going. They're devouring the sugar syrup that I made for them. They're very gentle bees, Italian honeybees, and I've been quite fortunate enough to happily sit here having a beer or watching them for hours do what they do. Give it a couple more days, wait for a nice day, a bit overcast today, a couple more days, and I will take them out of the nuke hive and install them properly in the top bar hive and see them enjoy life.